Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming fundamentals and taking immediate action. Check iOS and update if needed because many blur issues are fixed in software. Once done, close background apps and perform a force restart. On iPhone 8 or later, press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary graphics glitches. Make sure you have a current backup to iCloud or Finder before moving to resets, and keep the device charged above 20%. Now you dig into display and app-level causes. Open accessibility and turn off zoom and reduce motion because they can scale content and create blur. Next, reset all settings. This won't delete data, but reverts display, network, and system options that may cause rendering issues. Go to Transfer or Reset and pick Reset All Settings. Once complete, reinstall any app showing blur and test while signed out or in a fresh user context. Also confirm the screen is an Apple-certified part after any repair, since third-party panels often blur. To finish, perform advanced diagnostics, and if needed, a restore. Check analytics data for repeated GPU or kernel messages that explain persistent blur. This reveals hardware or driver faults. Then update or restore using Finder or iTunes, and if software refuses to fix it, use a DFU restore which reloads firmware and iOS. If the problem still persists after DFU, schedule Apple service, make sure to record your serial warranty status, and explain the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.